when it comes to the way you work, like you have global book sales to film options to cross industry collaborations. So I'm curious to understand, like, how do you decide which opportunities move your author business forward?
I have to take a step back and put my business hat on. That's really what
Hmm.
it comes down to. A lot of times
Hmm.
there's a particular story I want to write next, but if that doesn't fit what my, business as a whole needs to come out next, then a lot of times it's going to get put aside and I'm going to write what I need to write. No different than, any other business deciding how they want to expand. You have to be able to do that, I think. At the same time, you have to be passionate about everything that you write. I've got a fairly long list of ideas for different books. So when it comes time for me to fill that pipeline, I sit down with everybody that's involved, all the different people that work for me, my agents, my editors, and we decided as a group, what is the next best thing. And and you have to consider it's not going to hit for a year and a half. So you kind of have to put your futurist hat on, break your crystal ball out to try and figure out what comes next.